And there are 4 offices here on the first floor. And they're all generous size. You have 2 air conditioners. You can control the one down here with that. And then upstairs has the same. This room is locked, but it's the same size as these other ones. And then you have this kitchen area, another storage here. This kitchen area, what I'm thinking for plumbing, it'd be really easy to run some plumbing behind the drywall here and put a sink in this room. And there's a back access way, bathroom. And then we can go upstairs. So it's nice, you can kind of overlook the space. There's lots of natural light in here. This is one of the bigger upstairs offices. And then this is the extra heated and cooled, climate controlled space for storage. So you could build it out. You could like put LVP down here. The only thing she shared is inside these boxes are the AC units. So there's one here and then there's one right over here. So she's obviously been using it as storage. Hot water heaters over here. But I mean, you could make it a storage or conference space if you needed. But it's a pretty good size. All her internet stuff is back here. So. That's it.